Hello everyone, and welcome to Milord Tutorials. This video will be the start of our Python series, with this one being the introduction video. So let's begin. So, Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose, interpreted, dynamic programming language. And for those that doesn't know exactly what those means, high-level simply means separated away from the hardware up to a certain level. This one is pretty high level compared to other high level languages like C++. General purpose means it can be used for a general variety of things. Interpreted means that it is an interpreted language instead of a compiled language. We'll go more into that in the next video. And dynamic means that it is dynamic typecasting instead of static typecasting. Which basically means you can just declare a variable instead of having to specify that it's an integer, a string, or etc. Which basically boils down to it's made to be really easy. In fact, that's what the creator of the language was intending to do. This is Guido van Rossum. He's the person that created the language back in 1980, and it was implemented, or at least the first iteration was implemented in 1989. And he really just kind of did this to have something to do on his free time, but it ended up turning into the language that we see today. The name comes from the Monty Python series. So Python 2 came out in October 2000, and Python 3, which is the version that I'll be going over throughout the duration of the tutorial, came out in December 2008. And basically the differences between the versions is just improved usability, improved libraries, basically just got better and better. This quote that you see here comes from the Zen of Python, which was created by Tim Peters, and it's basically these tenets that embodies what Python is supposed to mean. So beautiful is better than ugly, simple is better than complex, complex is better than complicated, flat is better than nested, which has to do with how things, or you can think of it more like how loops are nested versus just having one loop. Sparse is better than dense. Overall, readability counts. There's more written on the tenets, and I'll put the description to that Zen of Python in the description. But I just wanted to give you a general background of really what we'll be going into. And I personally think that Python is a really great language to learn, both for beginners and for people who just want to jam out some things, because there's, well, once again, readability counts. So, hope to see you in the next video. We'll be discussing the difference between compiled and interpreted languages. Thank you.